bazalwane angiyithuli imqhele ngiyibeke phansi ngifune lo nkulunkulu engimaziyo ngihambe ngekhoneni lami ngiyobiza yena ngoba yena uzongi-understand uma ngikhuluma naye ngoba thina naye siyazana uma ngizokhala kuyena ngizokhala kubaba njengoba kade esekushiwo emazwini ayisikhombisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyawakhala ebona ukuthi uyahluleka kufanele sisigade isikhathi la sihluleka khona bese siyabheka ukuthi sikhala kubani uthema ngabethi baba uyawubeka umphefumulo wakhe ezandleni zakhe ngoba uyathi izandla zaNkulunkulu zisafe ingakho-ke nathi bazalwane masesikhala simbheke uNkulunkulu uyasazi futhi uyasibona futhi uzosithwalela futhi ngaphinda futhi ngakhumbula uNkulunkulu angimazi ephuma kweyiphi indlela kodwa wadlula kaPetro wafika uma mezala kaPetro egula akazange abuze into eyiningi wavele wambamba ngesandla umama wayesaphila ngathi mangimbheka yini eyenza ukuthi aphile lo mama umama umphilisele ukuthi uyazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi uma evuka lo mama lo angeke azahlale phansi esephilile uzovuka athikithe abheke indaba yakhe noJesu ingakho-ke nami ethema sesindu umyeni wami ngathi ngizobuyela futhi kuwena uNkulunkulu akele ngithi ngoba nakusesindile bese ngithi all is well ngoba uzophila futhi ungikhumbuzise ngenye indlela ukuthi wena bekimthindiselani kanti futhi wena ngizophinda uhlale ungigamele ungibheke nje ngalawo mazwi ngithi mbongo Jehova mphefumulo wami uNkulunkulu muhle bazalwane ningamdeli ngezikhathi zonke amen.
Wow guys, waze wapreacha kamnandi uMrs Because want revive nam dilapha ndihleli khona molweni namkelekile nonke kwezichusa be entertainment. So le video lena sifakelwe ngutata wakwakhe utata uChris naye umangelo ba hayibo, is this my wife, is this the Macele that I chose to be uNdlunkulu, the very first wife. Xa seyipreacha kanjena of course ke nabantu kwi comment section they are like blown away uba wow uMacele yaze yamnandi intshumayelo yakhe bamncoma nangokuthi athi give a testimony ngempilo yomyeni wakhe, and even after ke uNkulunkulu esethe save umyeni wakhe ekungutata uChris Mseleko guys uyatsho into okubana andizuliyeka olukholo because ndayithandazela lonto ba uThixo makasave umyeni wami, and ke ngoku because I made that promise with God that should you save my husband xa ungamtakula nje umyeni wami from le sickness lena ndizoqhubeka ndikupraise ndikuworshipa and winning more souls. So imessage yanamhlanje is that qhubekani nijonge kuYesu when he fulfills his promises. Nawe as umzalwane suvele uthi oh hayi ke uYesu undincedile wandelaphela umyeni wami, now I'm going back to the things of the world. No, qhubekeka nawe uhlala kuYesu, qhubekeka umkhonza so that naye ezoba faithful. So that was the message ke abantu ke bayampraise into kokubana hayi utata uMusa Mseleko ngokuya wayekhetha uMacele wayekhetha umfazi manyane. So guys, your thoughts ndiyacela mas engage aneni down on the comments, ningilakele and surely ndizonibona on my next upload. Bye.